Hi guys, and welcome to AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. So in with us for the next few days we have a lovely VW Caddy van. This is a bit of a smart bit of kit already, so it's already had quite a bit of styling done to the exterior and to the interior. We are going to be doing some hydro dipping, so a few bits and pieces on the van just to add a real finishing touch to make it even more personal to the owner. So we are doing the wing mirror covers. We're going to be doing them first of all. They'll be removed and prepped. We're also doing the interior trims as well, so that's some panels across the dashboard and then centre console as well. So they're going to be prepped and primered as well. And then as well as that, we are doing the engine cover. So that's the plastic engine cover. We're going to be prepping and primering that as well. So all the panels are going to be done in, after being primed, they're going to be painted in a gold finish to match in with the paddles on the steering wheel. They'll then be lacquered, they'll then be re-prepped, and then we'll be dipping them, hydro dipping them in a finish called Skulls and Thorns. So you should find, or we will find, that the gold comes through underneath. So given instead of a white finish to the Skulls and Thorns, it will give a gold metallic finish instead. All of that will be then cleaned and prepped and lacquered, and then everything fitted back onto the vehicle. Please check out some of our other videos, like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications. We better get this in the workshop, get all the bits stripped off it. Lovely jubbly. Right, Adam started stripping all the bits out of the Caddy van, so we're going to go and see how he's getting on. There we go. Hello, pal.
Hello, mate. Right, mate.
I'm alright, mate.
You alright, mate?
How are you doing? Looks like you got a big long panel off already.
I got that off.
There we go.
Lovely.
So we got our unplastic weld all the
Yeah.
lovely. All the surround sections.
We like that little job.
We do, don't we? We got a little bit on the side here to get out. Very cool seats in this, isn't it? I like the
check the steering
design
wheel
on
out.
this. It's a bit cool, isn't it?
The steering wheel out.
I know, it's a bit cool, isn't it? And that's the gold we've got to match as close as we can. That's on the paddles. I'm going to show that in here. Look at that stitching. That's a bit cool, isn't it?
You got a duck. Got an R. You know why these are pirates' favourite seats, don't you? Because they are. Right.
Excellent. So you got that centre bit out.
Got to help me.
Lovely. We've got the top bit as well up there.
Just got a little
Okay,
bit
that's
there,
sending out. Okay.
This
Right.
bit's out.
Lovely times.
Lovely times.
So we've just got this little one over here, and then the wing mirror covers and the engine cover as well. You look excited about it.
I'll be honest, I didn't know about the engine cover. You sprung the wind mirror covers on me.
I sprung,
Come and said, got to do an engine cover and all, has we?
Sprung that as well, but
Yeah, it's really sprung. Lovely. Let's crack on. Hello, babe.
There we go. Engine cover off. That was nice and easy. What's taking you so long with them mirror covers, Ad?
2 minutes, 30.
Lovely. The old mirror cover off, but
Yeah, mate. 4 screws. There's a few little sort of tabs. Be quite careful not to sort of break. Just ease them off. There.
Oh, well done, pal.
All the way along like that.
there we go. You've done them before, haven't you?
Yeah.
You've done them before,
Got a
mate.
couple of them now. Yeah.
Lovely jubbly.
You can have that.
Oh, super. Thank you very much. Let me get the other one off.
Hey,
You want that?
got you covered.
Oh, you certainly have. There's another one we've done. That's on one of our other videos. So check this one out when we've done the front bumper and the calipers. Let's just come back in for a couple of wheel refurbishments. Check that on our videos.
Not pretend ones.
Not pretend ones. And then we have our Amarok that we are also going to be doing a video for. So stay, turn on the old notifications, and then you'll be able to watch this one all the way through as well. But back to this one. Lovely. Ad's cracking on with that. Get the other mirror cover off.
Up, mate. Here we go.
Here we are. So I did start prepping this panel, but I ended up, well,
Same as normal.
same.
Bone red.
Yeah.
Sure he called himself. Disappeared, left me to it.
As normal, isn't it, mate? As normal.
Yeah.
So we're just prepping all, I say we, I mean Adam's prepping all the panels. Here we go, look, that's the engine cover. Getting all prepped ready for some plastic primer.
Yeah, mate.
Lovely job.
Lovely job. Brand new engine cover, which is nice. So it's not got any oil or grease or anything on it.
Yeah, makes it a lot easier, doesn't it?
Yeah. And
then we got to, well, as you can see behind, in the dark spray booth behind Adam, some of the bits are already in there ready. So we'll, I'll attempt to help him again.
Yeah, right.
Aye.
Oh.
Right, Ed's just doing the plastic primer, so we don't need too much of this. Excuse the phone ringing. There we go, just get a bit of plastic primer on. Right, here we go, so we're getting some colour onto the parts now at the Caddy. So this is, we've got a base colour of to match the paddles going on first of all. So plastic prime, now getting the base colour on, so Ad's doing that, as you can see behind me. Oh, there we go. Here he is, look. Here he is. So do like a gripper coat first. And then I'll probably need a couple more coats of the colour over all the parts. And then this colour will show through underneath, won't it, Ad?
Yeah, baby.
It should look pretty cool. This is the beauty with the old hydro dipping, that we can do this so we can change the effect of the patterns by changing the base colour, and that will show through from underneath. Lovely jubbly. There's the engine cover, here we go. Okay, so all the bits are now painted gold. We'll just give you a quick view of them before we get them ready to hydro dip. Here's Adam. Hello, Adam. We're just getting a couple of other bits ready to lacquer. So here we have the bits that are all done in the well, sort of a beigey gold. There we go. Wing mirror covers and the engine cover. There we go. So we now just prep these and we will start hydro dipping them all in the Skulls and Thorns. Lovely. Here we go. Don't start yawning yet.
To get my face in. Oh, don't put it in the middle because you'll have a bit to the side.
Let's get your face in.
Get my face in.
Oh, just because you're always on the camera.
Face in.
There you go, it's recording, pal. There we go.
Right, we're over to Alex, who's just about to activate the film, ready to dip through.
There we go.
Go on, mate, this is your moment.
Here, give it a little wash. This is the last bit, the engine cover. Give it a wash, get the old PVA glue off. Use that cool looking finish underneath.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Pleased with that, Ad?
Complete, mate.
He's pleased with that.
Overall,
Pleased with that, James?
lovely job.
Looking forward to lacquer in it?
For me?
Well, yeah. You're the main, you're the lacquer man.
You got to call me
You're
main
the
man,
lacquer man.
Lovely job.
Help main man, you're the main man.
Lovely.
Oh, lovely that.
Say hello to your mum. Hi, Dave.
I forgot to say hello to his mum. Hey.
I'm TV things.
Right, we're now back to lacquer the hydro dip bits for the little VW Caddy van. They're all ready. A few little touch-ins all done, but they're now ready to be clear coated by Fraser, who's just said hello to his mum on camera.
Yeah, on camera.
On camera, here we go.
Yeah, famous.
Just plastic welding the trims back on, Ad?
Yeah, mate, you know it. Just the vent holders.
Is there a few bits to plastic weld back on?
Couple of little bits.
Couple of little bits, but
That's nothing for me, you know.
not with someone with your talent.
I mean,
Say,
you
mate.
give me 10-15 minutes, mate, I'll totally plastic weld it to the bench.
Your hand.
Yeah.
It's going down, Adam.
Oh mate, I'll tell you what's going down.
Well,
We've got some lovely hydraulic trims we're refitting to this Caddy van. SKULL'S and Thorns.
getting the old interior all finished.
Yeah mate, so we've got this
That's
bit
cool.
to go. This bit here, we've also done the VIN mirror covers on the outside.
Yeah, we'll have a little watch you fitting one of them in a minute. And it's just to match his stitching as close as possible. Arr, there's the arr. And the stitching, as you can see. So that's the backing colour. Lovely.
Right,
Lovely job of fitting that anyway.
Yeah, this bit I'm going to leave out because he's got a couple of dials to fit himself.
yes, he
so
has,
I've left
yeah.
that and made it easy for him. I won't want him damaging it.
Damaging it. You look like a man who's done this before, Adam.
No, I've never done it before, mate.
Oh, okay.
I watched a video on YouTube.
One of them dodgy YouTube videos.
Yeah. Couple of screws.
Done yourself proud there, Fraser, haven't you?
That's happened at some point.
You're on fire, mate. You're on fire.
Yeah. Thanks.
What are your thoughts about?
Lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely. We should hurry up. Yeah.
We haven't 5 minutes.
You forgot to put the other shoe on there, James?
What?
You forgot to put the other shoe on.
I've been bitten, mate, by a
Fraser.
really poisonous spider. It's savage, mate.
Yeah.
It's not because I scratched it at all.
So guys, as we're doing a hydro dipping video, we thought we'd show you some of the finishes we do. So we've got a number of different finishes. Don't forget, all of these can be changed in effect by changing the backing colour. So we'll show you some of these, see what you think. Don't forget to give us a shout if you are interested in any of our finishes. So we've got carbons, a few different carbons, and then we've got different, some really cool finishes. Skulls, got the flaming aces, sticker bomb. We even got £50 notes. Look, there we go. We've got some heat effect lacquers on a couple of them as well. Some other really cool finishes. Some more skulls. We've even got wood effect. So we've got different wood. We've got some camos as we move across, which can be done with a matte or a gloss or satin lacquers. There's with a gloss. There's with a matte, depending on what you want to do. And then we've got some other ones across the bottom. Another wood effect. Some other cool, rather brighter finishes. across there as well. Some of our custom paints and our gears with the gold. There we go. So don't forget to get in touch at awsmartrepairs.co.uk or Black Stag Styling. Thanks very much. Let's crack on. Hi guys, and thanks as always for checking out, well, our latest YouTube video. This has been an absolute pleasure working with this. A lovely VW Caddy van, as you've seen in the video. A real pleasure. It's great doing stuff when we're doing proper custom sort of styling with our hydro dipping. So in this one, as you've seen, we've done the interior trims, the engine cover, both wing mirror covers, and a centre console sort of top dashboard trim. They've all been prepped and then painted to match in with the paddles and the stitching on the seats. So the colour we've used matches in with that. That's the base colour, and then we have hydro dipped over the top of that in our Skulls and Thorns finish that the customer chose. Then everything has been re-prepped and gloss lacquered. We then had to do a little bit of plastic welding just to put all the vents all back together into the trims, and then get everything put back in the car. We've all really enjoyed this. The guys love this vehicle. It's such a cool looking bit of kit with all the other bits that the customer has done already. The hydro dipping just adds a completely bespoke finish to this now. There is no other vehicle out there that has this finish with this colour underneath. So if there's ever anything we can help you with, please check out our other YouTube videos for hydro dipping and styling. Don't forget to check out our links below to our Facebook, Instagram. Don't forget to turn on your notifications, like and subscribe to our channel. Add some comments about what you think to this as well. Don't forget we're doing giveaways all the time as well, so like and subscribe to the channel to be involved in possible free stuff, freebies, hats, caps and hoodies and stuff in the future. We'll speak to you again soon, and thanks for watching. Happy days!